Good morning to all. We are just performing the process function of sublimation today. For that, I have taken ammonium chloride. One is ammonium chloride. We have iodine, solid iodine particles with us. Okay. Now the next is what we have done is we've taken a china dish. In this china dish, we have added sand. We have added sand particles along with ammonium chloride particles. On this, I have started heating it with the help of a burner by keeping it on a mash and on a tripod stand. While doing this experiment, we need to find out whether the ammonium chloride particle sublimes or not. So for this, to find out this, what we do is we take this is an inverted funnel. I'm taking a funnel which we put it inverted. And above that, I have taken, instead of a cotton ball, I've just taken it with a paper. I've closed the knob of this. Now we will heat it up. On heating it up, what we find is, after some time, the particles of ammonium chloride, which is white in color, you can see it in the sand particles, they will start heating up. Both sand as well as ammonium particles will heat up. And after some time, the ammonium chloride, that is ammonium chloride particles, they start evaporating. On evaporation, what happens when the fumes of ammonium chloride reaches at the top of this funnel, which is the colder area. The funnel is supposed to be the colder area out over here at this time. What happens is the particles of ammonium chloride, they will start coming and depositing themselves on this. So we could see the white precipitates on the top of the funnel, showing that ammonium chloride particles are directly changing from solid form into vapors. So this process is known as sublimation process, in which one solid particle can be separated from the other solid particle only when one of the particles is having a property of sublimation. It has the property of sublimation. So ammonium chloride particles will come and form precipitates at the top, which will be in the form of white particles, which we could see after some time, as showing, and the left particles will be of sand in the china dish, showing that the mixtures in which one material is showing a property of sublimation and other is not showing the property of sublimation can be separated by the process of sublimation. But this process cannot be done with the two materials which show the same property, like your iodine particles and ammonium chloride. If we think of separating ammonium particles or the iodine particles together by the process of sublimation, it is not possible because they both will sublime on heating. So this is the process of sublimation, which can be done for separating out two solid particles, one showing the process of sublimation. So finally, after some time, we could find some white precipitates are formed at the top of this inverted funnel. A white line is formed, white precipitates are formed at the top of the funnel, showing that ammonium chloride particles are evaporating when they are heated up. They are getting separated from the sand particles and they condense at the top of this inverted funnel. They condense at the top of the inverted funnel and they form white precipitates, showing the process of sublimation in separating two solid mixtures.